Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Blower Motor with Fan. This AC blower motor with fan is for various GM trucks, including the Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Avalanche, Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, 2500 HD, or 3500, along with Yukons and Suburbans. Years do range from 2003 to 2013. So please ask us if this fits your specific truck or check out the listings below. What your AC blower motor with fan does is this produces the air that goes through your car's vents when your AC or heat is on. Commonly, if you're getting power to the system, but your AC or heater isn't producing or circulating the cold or hot air it should, you could have an issue with the blower motor and fan. Additionally, if your blower motor and fan turn on, but there's grinding or rubbing noise, this could be the issue. This replacement AC motor and fan has a redesigned motor for increased life, the OEM electrical connector for easy installation, and already has the fan bolted in. And while this is not a genuine OEM part, it is a direct OEM replacement thanks to all the necessary mounting locations. Installation on these is pretty simple. First, locate your existing blower motor and fan under the passenger side dash. Then, remove the tabs holding the existing one in place, spin to remove, and then unplug the electrical connector. Replace in reverse order. 2 tips before you get started. First, always unhook your battery when working on anything electrical on your vehicle. Second, it is advised to replace the blower control relay or resistor with the new one should that have been damaged as well as your previous motor. If you have any questions about this replacement AC blower motor and fan, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.